Good morning, Parma. We are here for thrifting. Since we're going to be in Parma in just a couple weeks for the Mercante in Fiera, Parma, we decided to do a little thrifting in Parma. We found this amazing vintage shop. The shop info will be in the description below, as always, so you can find it and shop there. If you are in Parma, or if you're planning a trip to Mercante and Fiera also, it is worth it to take some time out to add this vintage shop into your schedule. This thrift shop is clean, it's organized, and it just goes on and on. There were some really beautiful vintage chandeliers here. Not all of them have prices on them. You'll probably have to ask for the prices. There are a ton of paintings in this shop. Not all of them are way up at the ceiling either. Not sure how they would get those down for anyone to see them, but they must have a way. Is it a thing to match your candle holders to your china pattern? I have not seen that before. Let me know if any of you have candle holders that match your china. I'm so curious. I'm also really impressed that none of these pieces have gotten lost or chipped. How did I miss that fun vase on the right? If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe so more people can see it as well. The bell notification is the only way that you'll know when new videos are posted, because it's not on a specific day, so please hit the bell. Incredible pair of vintage glass wall lights. So beautiful. This set of mushroom coffee cups and sugar bowl are so unique. I'm not a mushroom person myself, but for anyone that is, really fun. The collectible toy car selection wasn't a giant selection, but the cars were in really good condition. The prices ranged from 16 to about 79 euros. Have you ever been intimidated by a small appliance? This espresso machine with the temperature gauge and knobs and things, nope. I just know I would get it too hot and that glass tube would explode on me or something. We've just only made it out of the first main room of the shop into the art corridor. Ooh, I love this lamp and mirror. Speaking of mirrors, how good are these? Hi everyone! Thanks so much for shopping with me today. If any of you are wondering why I normally do voiceovers on these thrifting videos instead of live audio, it's because most of the shops have really loud music playing, so you wouldn't be able to hear me anyway, and I would get all the copyright strikes, and no one needs that. I enjoy doing these voiceovers as well because there's so much for me to see now that I missed when I was in the shop. Another thing I love about this shop is that everything is well spaced rather than being all crowded on top of each other like some other shops can be. You can see the furniture here, walk around it, it's well lit, etc. Nice. Judging by the fashion accessories selection, the vintage clothing should be interesting to check out when they've had time to display the new season. I'm very excited to see it. our playlist right here has lots more thrifting and antiquing videos. Thanks again so much for shopping with me today.